Hello, this is InfoLand. Today, I will tell you everything about quinoa, a superfood that many people are curious about. Why quinoa is considered a superfood, its health benefits, and how to use it. I will cover it all in 5 minutes. If you want to better understand quinoa and incorporate it into a healthy diet, please stay with me until the end. Quinoa was called the seed of life by the ancient Inca civilization. It looks like a grain, but it's actually a seed, which makes it more nutritious than regular grains. Quinoa comes in 3 colors. White quinoa has the mildest and lightest flavor. Red quinoa has a firmer texture, great for salads. Black quinoa has a stronger, nuttier flavor and a richer texture. So what nutrients does quinoa contain? High in protein. Quinoa has a high protein content, making it a perfect food for vegetarians and people who exercise. In particular, the quality of the protein is excellent, as it contains all the essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Gluten-free, for those with gluten sensitivity, or those who want to reduce gluten, quinoa is an excellent alternative. High in fiber. 1 cup of quinoa contains about 21 of your daily recommended fiber intake. This helps with digestive health and can lower cholesterol levels. A treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. Magnesium helps with blood pressure control and muscle health. Iron helps prevent anemia and boosts energy. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that aids in anti-aging and skin health. Health benefits of quinoa. Weight management. Quinoa is low in calories but provides a high level of satiety, which helps prevent overeating. Thanks to its fiber and protein, quinoa helps prevent blood sugar spikes and provides sustained energy. Cardiovascular health. Quinoa is rich in magnesium, potassium, and unsaturated fats, which help lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels. Antioxidant effects. Quinoa contains antioxidant compounds like flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation and prevent diseases. Blood sugar control. Quinoa has a low glycemic index, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or those who want to manage their blood sugar levels. Immune system boosts. The zinc and selenium in quinoa help strengthen the immune system and aid in body recovery. Quinoa is a superfood that contains health, nutrition, and flavor, all in a small seed. I hope this video helped you understand why quinoa is essential for a healthy diet. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And I'll come back with more useful information next time. This was InfoLand. Thank you for watching.